Welcome back to another video. Now, as you probably know by looking at some of my videos, that all of my videos' thumbnails have completely changed, and I'll show you why. If you, they still have this picture, like the one of the video thumbnails that you can have. I never planned on changing that. I made all of these different folders so that I could do all of this. In here, let me show. And all of them are kind of different because I just wanted them to be. Because I felt that, well, okay, so what happens is I would click the file, but you can't just like upload it. Oh, this is a picture. Delete that. You're gonna have to hold it, and then it does that. As you can tell, that's super blurry, but I can deal with it. Let's put a laptop. I have and you can email me if you want your own designs. I'll put them in the thumbnail if you want. I've never thought about that, but yeah, if you want, you can. My business email is xxslothmaniaxx.com or at gmail.com, and then, or you can comment down below what I should use for my next thumbnail, which for next week's, something like that. Get these ones. And I don't have Photoshop. If I did, I probably would get out all this white stuff, and then I would save the image so that it's just the sloth. But I didn't realize Photoshop is money, and I thought it was a free software. But there's like a 7-day free trial. By the way, this company isn't paying me. My uncle told me about it, and this is how I made my channel banner, and I redid my Twitch banner. I haven't redone my profile picture because I don't like my profile picture. But, yeah. So, I'm gonna choose something from the game. That's what I've been doing. I've been choosing, a gaming device, 2 sloths, and then 1 thing from the game. So, I'm gonna put Deltarune Clipper. Okay. It's not Deltarune. That's a picture of just Lancer, I'm pretty sure. If not, I am sorry. Copy image, and then you just not copy. Well, you can copy the image or you can save as in your computer. I'm gonna save as because I kind of just want to. From that, yeah. I'm sorry I didn't upload Sunday, by the way, because this, last Sunday, but I redid my banner and stuff, so it was already, Monday at 1, I think. Anyway, so you're gonna upload the image. Now, you could figure this out all on your own, But if you are really just starting your YouTube channel and you already know me or my channel and you know that I've made some of these how-to videos, then you can just use mine. And what I did to save up space is you can just delete them after, and it's just on this software. It's not completely deleted unless you want to, which is what I do. And it always comes up big, but with this software, you can just like kind of crop it and then make it smaller. Like these are to make it to where you only see so much of the image, and then you can make it smaller with like the arrows and stuff. And then this helps you rotate it. I didn't know that out until for a while, which is why some of my newer ones look less cool, I guess, because they get cooler the older they get, because I did my newer videos first, but the how-to videos look completely different because I just wanted them to. So yeah, that's kind of just how the cookie crumbled. And then voila. But now the main reason why I wanted to change all of mine was because I wanted text. So what I plan on doing for the rest of the Deltarune series is, well, you can change the fonts, you can change the color, you can change if you want them all like, there's so much customization with this, and if you want, you can do the 30-day pro trial, or free trial of the pro subscription, and they're not paying me to do this. Why would they pay somebody that has 16 subscribers to make a video? No. But the font I use is this font. The Smackerel dots or whatever. And I'm gonna make it bigger, because you can make it's like Microsoft Paint, or not Paint, Word, Microsoft. I want to make it bigger because it's so blurry, so this is the only thing you can actually see anyway. Now this is my Deltarune videos thumbnail. Yeah, spelling that right, I believe. Okay, yeah, Deltarune episode 7. Now, while I finish some of this stuff, I just want to say that basically what happened with this video, even though if you haven't read the description and you just kind of clicked off and watched somebody else, what happened is I used Streamlabs instead of OBS Studios, and it didn't work. So I'm using OBS Studios right now because Streamlabs is currently not working. But yeah, it basically just did not work, even though Streamlabs is kind of better in some ways, but it doesn't work for some things. So I want you to check out Deltarune episode 7, but you really don't have to. I won't be disappointed if it only has a few views. If it has more than that, that's great, but yeah. Well, before I finish this, I just want to remind you, please go subscribe. Like it if you want, share. I will leave a link to this video, this current thumbnail, and please share it, because if you share it to your family and stuff, or like your friends, then maybe they'll check out my channel, and then if they share it to more of their friends, then maybe they'll check out my channel. It's just a whole cycle. So yeah, check it out, please. But other than that, I'm going to continue on. I'm sorry, that kind of popped into my head. So what you're gonna do is there's all of this crap, but if you want to make a thumbnail, then you're going to download it. And then what I do is, this might not be the most efficient way to do it, but see, the pro trial. Now, basically how this works is you can pay like $120 and you save 23% off, because it's like $9 per month. But if you just do it by month, then it's like $12. Or you can just do both 30-day free trials and then never touch it again. Or you can just use the free. But I digress. So you're gonna go to the little dots, save as. That's random. Yeah, I've been trying to find out new things to use. Okay. I've been trying to find new, like, I don't know, what the right word is. I mean, okay. So, what I mean is, obviously, Streamlabs kind of sucks just a little bit because it can't do some things that OBS Studios can. But it's like vice versa. Okay. So then you're gonna go, after you save it, go to custom thumbnail. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to, not that, but YouTube. Then go to thumbnails, Deltarune, and voila. You have an updated thumbnail. And then I can't like refresh it or anything because then I'll have to re-upload this video. But then publish, and then it should have that, and then ta-da! Now all my saves are changed, like that. All my saves are saved, or changes are saved. Blah. I'm having trouble speaking today, I guess. And you know what I just realized? My headset wasn't plugged in, so I'm sorry about the audio. I'm back. Don't plan on leaving this time, but when school starts back up, I can't promise anything. I will probably upload only once a week, maybe twice. But, you know, I'm trying. But, you know, my goal of the end of this year, like basically my YouTube anniversary, is to get 100 subs. That is, because I cherish like everyone who watches my videos. If you comment, I'll heart it. I'm gonna do as much as I can to show that I really, really appreciate what you do. But yeah, I mean, I found this thing that says if I do like these 10 things, I will get 100 subscribers very fast. But I don't know. You know, yeah. But if you're new to this channel, just gotta say, if you do want to subscribe, and this isn't what I usually make, I've made 2 of these videos, but if you wanted, I make Deltarune videos, and I make like FNAF videos, and sometimes I collab with my friend, and the person that I used to make this YouTube channel with, which sadly just kind of stopped uploading, and she was cool with me just taking over the channel. When she starts making her channel, I plan on collabing with her, but she says she might only upload once a week, maybe once a month, because it's just kind of hard, because, well, you know, I'm not going to spill our ages, but we're in school. You know, we're on summer right now, which is why I'm able to focus so much on this, but so after this video, though, I'm going to tell you that after I upload the next few videos that I already have, I'm going to start just making one thing. I'm just going to start making my Deltarune videos because I want to get through Deltarune. And then there's I need a lot of Deltarune. Because that's the thing that I enjoy the most. But after I finish Deltarune, I want to do Undertale. And then I want to go back to Deltarune. And then I found this free, like, dating sim. I don't know if it's a dating sim, but it doesn't really matter. You know? But I know these are some older things, and a lot of people won't be searching them, but I would, you know? But I need to go edit Deltarune, and I need to start uploading another video for Friday, but, you know, please, I'm gonna tell you again to subscribe, like, comment, hit that bell, and yeah, I hope I didn't, like, stretch this out. I bet I did, but yeah, bye!